What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be showing you how to change the windshield wipers on your 2016 Mazda CX-5. This goes for just about any car on the road. You're going to want to pull your windshield wipers up, and you're going to want to, this clip, pull that clip back. That's what's holding them in. And then just slide it forward and then slide it off. And then do the same for your passenger side. Now each car will be different on the way that the windshield wipers are held on. As you can see, this car is that J clip, the J hook on each side. And so I believe that each, like these come with several different ways to install them. As you can see, there's the small J hook, large J hook, all that sort of ways to install them. You're going to want to ensure that you get the right size, because as you can see for this car, the driver's side is a lot longer than the passenger side. So I'm going to open these up and get the long one on this one with the J hook and show you how to do that. So usually most windshield wipers come with instructions on how to do it with all the different variants. With this one being the J hook, all you do is squeeze this and rotate this part up. It's hard to do with one hand. Let's see. Yep, rotate that up, slide the J hook in there, and then we should be able to close it down. So let's see, get it in there with, get the J hook in there. All right, and then click it down. Might not have slid it far enough in. Like I said, it's hard to do with one hand. So like I said, it was hard to do with one hand, but you should be sure to slide this J clip all the way down, and then you can click that back in. Now this one is done, so you can push it back down, but be sure to take off this protective film so that your wiper blades will actually wipe the windshield. So this one is done. That's the driver's side one. And now I'm gonna unbox the passenger one, throw the passenger one on, and then you've changed windshield wipers on your 2016 Mazda CX-5 and pretty much every other car there ever is. All right, so just take your J hook, slide it through there after you've opened it up, and then just be sure to slide it all the way down in there like that, and then oh, I slid it back trying to close it. All right, and then clip this, clipped it in, take your protective film off, and these are done. So congrats, you've changed windshield wipers. Thanks for watching. You all have a good one.